Alright guys, he's drinking the water. And I'm gonna put this here so he can, if he's finished washing his body and drinking, he can go here and get out, and I'm gonna get him and put him to his cage. So he's first time cleaning, first time. So he doesn't know what to do. Now, so we tried uh to do this, and it worked. Now, so I bought this. He's eating it, but we have to go away so he can eat. I don't know why that happens. So this is the end of the video, and bye bye, and subscribe, and put subscribe. Bye.